Welcome to Upstart Press. Learn how to use Storage Sense to remove temporary files automatically, save disk space, optimize and speed up PC. Storage Sense in Windows is a built-in tool designed to optimize your PC's storage and enhance overall performance. By automatically clearing temporary files, recycle bin contents, and other unnecessary data, Storage Sense frees up valuable disk space on your PC. So, it is recommended to enable it. To enable it, search Settings, click at Settings, and from this page select System. Select Storage from the left side. On Windows 11, it is at the same spot. It says Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Simply enable this option if it was disabled for you. This will free up space in Windows and speed up your PC. You can see overview of space used for main drive here as well. By clicking this link, you can view used storage on other drives. This is for the C drive. And you can also select any area from here if you like to get a better picture. For example, if I click temporary files, it shows me what I can delete to clear some space. Simply select items to delete and click Remove Files button. But if you are unsure, keep this option enabled to keep Storage Sense working in background. That will be sufficient. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.